Hey YouTube, scrappers out in the garage. You can tell it's a little cool out. I think it's like minus 20. Just found a little thing here that's got these on it. These are some copper. And these little guys should be either copper or brass. It looks like copper, so I don't know if I can. I don't think I can do number one, so that'll be all number two copper. I found a whole bunch of stuff here, so I'm just gonna dump it out. That is shred. I think this is metal. Yeah, that's steel. That's steel. I think that's metal. What I'm going to do I guess they're not easy to take out. I was gonna say take those out and maybe, but anyway. Metal. Get all these done. Oh my. So I gotta get a different punch here. Like that, and then that would be probably number 1 copper, which I'm gonna throw in that box. This here is all number 2 copper. Good. Just good. Low grade wire. More rotors. I got the heater on, but it's not doing a whole lot. I said, I don't know, every now and then if you can hear the wind blowing outside. Yeah. Anyway, just cleaning a few things off. Probably won't stay out here very long. Alright, see if I can. Oh my. Sorry for being all snotty in your ear, but my nose is starting to run. Oh, I'll take this apart later. Do that one later. There's another one that's ready. Should be able to get this out, maybe. I got gloves on, but everything's so cold. There's another one. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try one of these knives, see if I can break a yeah. Yeah, that had little things in it there that. All right, like, subscribe, share. This is just a short one. What can I show you? that I haven't showed you already. This is a pail of new stuff that I'm gonna send to auction, because this I was able to get this, and I'll just make sure it's not all brass. But I don't. Excuse me. I don't think so. It's all cast iron. This here is kind of neat. Deluxe something. I don't think there's anything left in it, but little things here with some cords on it that I'll be taking apart. And get that ready for auction. Another little box to use for something. That's a little. I'm gonna bring this over here so I can take this apart here in another little bit. Be heavy on the toes to drop. See what's underneath here. Some lead. Some more stuff for the auction. I'll set this over with the other one. This box here is full of plugs. I could have enough plug soup for everybody, I think. Some more Megatrons that need to be taken apart. Another box of stuff that I'll have to go through. Somewhere in here, I think I still have it. Maybe it's back underneath that table. There is a tote or a plastic pail full of not Transformers, but those glass tubes out of old TVs and stuff like that. I've got a tote somewhere. There's more plugs. All more stuff. So I think I'm gonna take this up in town. There's a couple places that renovate. Ooh. I don't know what that was. It's a bone from something. A guy that restores cars, and I think this is from a Chevy too. I think I was told, whether it'd be worth anything or not, but I might get more out of it for resale than I would scrapping out. But I've got lots of wire there. Yeah, and there's more stuff back in there. Someday I might get to it. Slowly getting towards things. Lots of little things in this that I need to sort out. More stuff in that one needs to be taken apart too. Some rayon. Another hatchet I found, which I'll have to start using. There's more stuff to sort out. I imagine most of these pots I'll send to auction. That seems to be my best venue for making a little bit extra cash. See what there is. I'll set that up over there. And take those apart sometime soon. Yeah, more screws I find. So yeah, that's what I've got done now. My stainless steel barrel is overflowing. There's some boxes that you have at banks for oh, I forget what they're called now, but they're almost new. I'll send those to auction. This big glass thing is a milking from a Surge milker. You would hook up milkers to milk your cattle, and then the milk would go into there and then filter through into a great big holding tank, and then the truck would come and milk truck would come and get the milk out. But I got stuff like this in here. It needs, I imagine, some good copper right there. More copper down there. Set that over there for later. There's a lot more stuff like that that's got good copper. That's just metal. But I have to sort this out too. But anyway, all right, like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next one. I gotta go in and warm up, shut that off. Wrong on. Shut that off and then unplug it. So I'll probably be taking cell phones apart again inside. What's this? I don't know. That's something that looks new. I'll have to figure out what that is. But everybody, keep getting out there scrapping. Keep making a little bit of money. Find some treasures, and most of all, keep warm and keep safe, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.